Hi everyone, I'm Miss Morales, your 2019-2020 homeroom teacher. I am so excited to get started with you guys this year. I hope you guys are ready. I hope your materials are there and we are ready to get started on a brand new adventure. I just wanted to take some time to send you a quick video and let you know a little bit about me and give you my contact information. So I actually live in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. If you get some time in the next few days, I'd love it if you send me an email with a picture and let me know where you live. This is my first year with iAcademy, my 7th year with K-12, and my 10th year total teaching. I was born and raised in Miami, Florida. Like I said before, I currently live in Philadelphia. We're actually a military family, so we move every 2 to 3 years. We've been here about 2.5 years now, and we may move next year. We're kind of waiting to find out if we're going to go somewhere else in the United States. So my husband is Edward, he's the Marine, and then I've got two cool kids, Eddie, 8, and Olivia, who's 4. I attended Thomas Edison State College out of Jersey for my bachelor's degree, and I got my master's online through Western Governors University in Learning and Technology, which is kind of perfect because that's kind of what we're doing, learning online. My favorite things to do is to spend time at the beach. That's like my happy place. It just makes me so happy to be there with a good book, just listening to the water. I just love it. We also really enjoy traveling and exploring new places. We really like to play games together, like video games and board games as a family. And we travel to Florida 1 to 2 times a year because that's where all of our family is. So here's some pictures. This is actually my husband. This is Eddie, who's 8. He's in 3rd grade. And Olivia, who's 4. She will be 5 in 2 months, and she is in preschool. Olivia this school year is actually starting out trying gymnastics and she is loving that. And Eddie is actually doing a Ninja Warriors class. So if you've ever seen that show on TV, they start to learn things like that during his ninja class. It's kind of fun and he really, really likes that. So here's just a couple other pictures of us. Like I said, we really like traveling. So this was us this summer in New York. We also went on a cruise this summer and we got to swim with dolphins, which was super fun. And the beach, favorite place. So here where we are in Philly, we're really close to the mountains. So this last winter, almost a year ago now, we went up to the mountains and did snow tubing for the first time. This is our first time being in a place where it snows a lot. So we had so much fun going down, a mountain on these tubes. And this is us on a Marine Corps birthday last year. And this is Eddie and Olivia for his birthday last year. He had a Harry Potter theme. My family and I were kind of nerds. We like books and we like science fiction. We like Harry Potter. And that was actually his birthday theme last year. All right, so how to reach me. You can send me an email. I'll send you the email address, obviously, as well. You can just reply to emails. That is my cell phone number. You can just call me whenever you need. You can call me or text me. And then we also use Skype. So if you don't have Skype, I suggest downloading it. Here's the website for it. It's www.skype.com/en. It's a great way for us to communicate. I'm always online. If you have a quick question, grades, progress, or whatever the case may be, we can communicate on Skype. My Skype name is iAcademy S. Morales. So once you set up your account, you can just look me up and add me to your contacts. And if you ever need me, I'm there for you. Well, guys, I very much appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my video today. I'm very excited to get started with you guys. If you need anything at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a great school year.